Chandrayaan-3 is India's lunar exploration mission, marking the country's third endeavor in this field, and it is being conducted by the Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO. The mission is scheduled to launch on July 14, 2023, at 2:35 p.m. from the Satish Dhawan Space Center located in Sriharikota, India. In this video, we will provide an overview of the Chandrayaan-3 spacecraft, including details about its propellant system and the journey it will undertake. This is a spacecraft assembly building known as a Vehicle Assembly Building, VAB, where the various components of the spacecraft are integrated and tested before the launch. Once the spacecraft is ready for launch, it is transported from the assembly building to the launch pad, which is located a few kilometers away. In the launch pad, a tunnel is used to exhaust the thermal energy and smoke generated during the launch. These are the water system. It helps protect the shuttle and its payloads from both acoustic energy and potential flame damage. Let's see the configuration of the rocket. It is a 3-stage heavy-lift launch vehicle. First, 2 solid boosters, S-200. The second stage, 1 liquid core stage, L-110. This liquid fuel is a mixture of nitrogen tetroxide and unsymmetrical dimethylhydrazine. And the third stage, a high-thrust cryogenic upper stage, C-25. The S-200 solid motor is among the largest solid boosters in the world with 204 tons of solid propellant. Solid rockets are known for their simplicity and reliability. Once ignited, they burn until they deplete their fuel and cannot be easily throttled to control thrust. During a rocket launch from Earth, solid rocket boosters equipped with solid fuel are used to provide the necessary thrust to overcome Earth's gravity and propel the spacecraft out of the atmosphere. During this phase, the spacecraft is fueled with the appropriate propellants, and the rocket undergoes various checks and tests to ensure its readiness for launch. These steps are crucial to ensure the safe and successful launch of the spacecraft into space. Once all the necessary preparations have been completed and deemed satisfactory, the rocket is considered ready for launch. The journey of Chandrayaan-3 from Earth to the Moon. The spacecraft is estimated to take approximately 1 month, and it will land expected to occur on the 23rd of August. The Chandrayaan-3 mission is aimed at exploring the far side of the Moon, often referred to as the dark side. The far side of the Moon is a scientifically intriguing and mysterious area, and in our upcoming video, we will delve into the fascinating aspects and mysteries surrounding the dark side of the Moon.